This is old-fashioned. I forgot about this. You got your grandmother's.
I was looking through her book, that book she gave me, and I'm like, Tim, have you ever had a mayonnaise biscuit?
Yes.
And I'm like,
that's
I haven't.
old-timey. 3 ingredients. But we're gonna make it 5.
Yes, you are.
You know when you have biscuits from Colonel Sanders, they have that peppery taste.
It didn't call for that, but you're putting pepper.
call for that.
That's actually 1 cup of flour, and
And
how much pepper?
I'm just
you
gonna
just
put
love your
some in
pepper.
there. It's just, I'm not kidding you. Now you're gonna think I'm crazy. And you know what? Because just for taste.
Okay.
Just for taste. Trust me on this.
I will trust you.
Just a little bit of.
All right.
Okay.
So that's 1 cup of flour. That's all it is.
Just a little bit of seasoning.
Half a cup, and we have half and
Use half and half.
Yeah, you could probably
Or
use
we can use buttermilk.
or whipping cream even.
Now this is Weisenberger unbleached all-purpose flour, and it's self-rising.
All right. And I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, which I love mayonnaise.
This is when these come out, they're so moist and they have that wonderful buttery taste.
Yes, they do.
It's just unreal.
All right.
How do we forget these things? There's so many things out there that we've forgotten about.
Now see, I have never had this. She used to make it. I
we
guess
used to
I don't
have them
remember.
all the time. Mayonnaise biscuits, that's old-fashioned right there.
All right, and I halved this recipe because I made those. You'll eat them all.
I would eat them all.
So if we only need 6, because we'll probably eat all those. I'm just gonna fill these up. I'm only gonna do about half the pan.
All right, she has put some oil in this already.
I did. I used olive oil.
All right, now we're gonna put just a little bit of.
I like that idea.
And I tell you what, I'm gonna dump it on there, and if you'll take your spoon, and
Spoon.
that'll give that a deep, rich flavor with a little bit
I
of
think
fat.
it's a good
on top
idea.
of it. Oh yeah.
I didn't try that. That's a good idea.
You know, we always put butter on it, but
Right. Then you won't have to put anything on it because we were eating them without butter. They were so good.
I'm not kidding about this rendered duck fat. And
It's
that
the
kind, you
best.
can kind of smooth that on top and shape them a little better too.
All right.
Oh, there we go.
And these 425, and it's only like 10 to 12 minutes. So we'll check them at 10 minutes, and then we're gonna try to let them sit till your dinner's done. You're not allowed to eat them.
I can
okay?
have one for an appetizer, right?
Okay, maybe. All right.
Just for an appetizer?
With honey on it, that might be good.
That's decadent.
Yes, it is.
All right, pop them in. Is it beautiful?
Mm-hmm. Those are so good. Mayonnaise. I love it. Wow.
You don't even need butter.
No, they don't. They're really good. This whole meal is amazing.
Man, I'm telling you, you really need to
good.
try this. I'm not kidding you.
That's really good.